Welcome to the Cruiser Motorcycles channel. Today, we will explain in detail about the 10 best new sport adventure tourer motorcycles in 2025. 10. 2025 Honda NX 500. MSRP $7,499. Engine 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 32 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.1 inches. Weight 434 pounds. Fuel capacity 4.7 gallons. Features: comfortable riding position, affordable price point. Chassis and suspension: Showa suspension, steel frame. Design: sport touring design with a focus on value and versatility. 9. 2025 KTM 790 Adventure R. MSRP $14,999. Engine 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 95 horsepower. Torque 65 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 34.6 inches. Weight 434 pounds. Fuel capacity 5.3 gallons. Features: long travel suspension, off-road focus features, lightweight design. Chassis and suspension: WP suspension, tubular steel frame. Design: rally-inspired design with a focus on off-road performance. 8. 2025 Honda Northern Territory 1100. MSRP $13,999. Engine 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 101 horsepower. Torque 77 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.5 inches. Weight 529 pounds. Fuel capacity 5.4 gallons. Features: comfortable riding position, ample storage space, available DCT. Chassis and suspension: Showa suspension, steel frame. Design: sport touring design with a focus on comfort and practicality. 7. 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan. MSRP $5,999. Engine 411 cubic centimeters single cylinder. Power 24.3 horsepower. Torque 23.6 pound-foot. Transmission 5-speed. Seat height 31.5 inches. Weight 439 pounds. Fuel capacity 3.96 gallons. Features: simple and reliable design, affordable price point. Chassis and suspension: long travel suspension, steel frame. Design: classic adventure touring styling. 6. 2025 Benelli TRK 502X. MSRP $7,999. Engine 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 34 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.9 inches. Weight 463 pounds. Fuel capacity 5.3 gallons. Features: comfortable riding position, affordable price point. Chassis and suspension: Suzuki suspension, steel trellis frame. Design: adventure touring styling with a focus on value. 5. 2025 Honda XL 750 Transalp. MSRP $10,499. Engine 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 90 horsepower. Torque, 55 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 33.5 inches. Weight, 458 pounds. Fuel capacity, 4.5 gallons. Features, long travel suspension, 21-inch front wheel, comfortable riding position. Chassis and suspension, show a suspension, tubular steel frame. Design, classic Transalp styling with a modern touch. Four. 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 800D. MSRP, $11,499. Engine, 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power, 83 horsepower. Torque, 57 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 34.8 inches. Weight, 485 pounds. Fuel capacity, 5.3 gallons. Features, long travel suspension, 21-inch front wheel, off-road focused features. Chassis and suspension, show a suspension, tubular steel frame. Design, rugged and adventure-ready design. Three. 2025 Husqvarna Norden 901. MSRP, $14,499. Engine, 889 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power, 105 horsepower. Torque, 73.8 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 33.7 inches. Weight, 443 pounds. Fuel capacity, 5.0 gallons. Features, WP suspension, multiple riding modes, TFT display, smartphone connectivity. Chassis and suspension, WP suspension, tubular steel frame. Design, modern and distinctive design with a focus on functionality. 2. 2025 Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. MSRP, $15,995. Engine, 888 cubic centimeters inline triple. Power, 93.9 horsepower. Torque, 64 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 33.9 to 34.6 inches, adjustable. Weight, 456 pounds. Fuel capacity, 5.28 gallons. Features, cornering ABS and traction control, multiple riding modes, TFT display, heated grips. Chassis and suspension, show a suspension, tubular steel frame. Design, rally-focused design with long travel suspension and off-road styling. 1. 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 650 ABS. MSRP, $9,999. Engine, 645 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power, 70 horsepower. Torque, 44 pound-foot. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 33.9 inches. Weight, 470 pounds. Fuel capacity, 5.3 gallons. Features, traction control, ABS, low RPM assist. Chassis and suspension, KYB suspension, aluminum swing arm. Design, updated styling with a more aggressive look,